s'en vont, où s'en vont tous ces potes qu'on aime, nos certaines affections.
Hi and welcome to WannaGoBiking and welcome to day 5 of my trip down to Bretagne, to Saint-Malo. Today's route is going to go from Dieppe, that I just left, pretty much along the coastline. Hope to see a few cliffs to Fécamp, only 70-75k, so yeah, should be an easy enough ride. It's almost 1,000 meters of elevation gain to overcome, so that's always something. But alright, let's start moving. See you later.
Qu'on est long, à dire les je t'aime qu'on pense quand ils s'en vont.
That's definitely why you come to coastlines for. Look at those colours. Very reminiscent to the colours I saw in Bretagne a few years back. So yeah, also one of the reasons why I want to go back there. But this is not bad, eh? Super. What is this? Super. So, next climb. The sublime road.
C'est pas vrai que ça s'arrête, ça serait trop con. Les copines, les tontons,
So that's going to be my road.
tous ces anges à nous, nos divines affections. Qu'on est long, à dire les je t'aime qu'on pense quand ils s'en vont.
Yeah, I think they did a few landings in this area well before D-Day, where they all miserably failed, obviously. Yeah, Operation Jubilee. Oh, let's have a look. That's a lot of text. Just have to pause the image or something.
Vont les gens qu'on aime quand ils s'en vont. C'est pas vrai que ça s'arrête, ce serait trop con. Où s'en vont, où s'en vont tous ces potes qu'on aime, nos certaines affections. Qu'on est long, à dire les je t'aime, on pense quand ils s'en vont.
Well, somewhere down here should be what's called the Grotte of Victor Hugo. Of course, very well-known poet and writer. You probably have heard of Les Miserables and the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Apparently he visited a friend who lived here quite often. But though I did see a few signs leading towards the grotte, the cave, sorry. I haven't found it. I'm not going to spend too much time, but it's a beautiful, lovely seaside resort. Now, first order of business is to start climbing again. But hey, sun's out. All's good. See you later.
C'est pas vrai que ça s'arrête, ce serait trop con. Prends les gens qu'on aime quand ils s'en vont.
Whew. Look at this. Ah. Just a great little hill, compost heap maybe, or bunker. Seems like no bunker. No idea. Very weird. Wow, what an absolute cracking day, and what a difference to the last couple of days. I mean, yesterday was a very good ride, but I was a bit unfortunate that I could not take the cliffs in view as I wanted to because the wind was too strong. But today is a lot better, and yeah, the sun's out, temperature's rising a bit. It was very chilly this morning, but now I think it's about 18-19 degrees. That's fine. Next up, another climb, because yeah, the cliffs are nice, but you've got to go up there as well. And I'm almost halfway, just taking it very slow today, as it is a short ride. So anyway, enough babbling. I'll start moving again. See you later. Site électronucléaire de Paluel. Oh, this is a massive nuclear plant here. A lot of old brickwork here. Some more white cliffs. Super. Look at that. And there's another war memorial, I would imagine. Canadian flag, American, British, French. So this bomber went down here. Well, thank you for your service. definitely colder here. Oh wow. Oh. This is my descent, but I'm not going to enjoy this one. So once I get down, I can immediately start climbing again, and then it's the last 16 kilometers to Fécamp. Whew, what an absolute joyful day to ride. Yeah, I hope there's gonna be a few more to follow. Well, you never know. First have to get down safely. It's ice cold here. I mean, mind you, it's only 18 degrees today and the sunshine is absolutely fantastic, but in the shade you can really feel it. But no complaints though, fantastic day, really outstanding. Oh, this is nice too. Okay. It's not my favorite sign. That's halfway this road. If I have to double back then, I'm not going to be happy. Well, finally something to moan about today, but hopefully I can pass by. New. Sort of can go through here, but not quite. The Fécamp down there. I have no idea why these barriers have been put in place. They seem very permanent, and the route barrée sign was sort of a temporary thing, I thought, but well, I don't know, maybe it's an event that's about to happen or has happened in a weekend. Who knows? I think I can pass, and then we should be able to have a coffee down there somewhere. I particularly like the question mark, because indeed, yeah, why? Why make it so complicated? Jeez. Bit of art in the harbour. It's always a good idea. Nice. Ah, beautiful pictures. Heure du Bain. Beautiful. Lovely. Crazy. Well, I have arrived at my little house, and I even have my own terrace, so that's fine. The inside is super as far as I've seen it so far. So yeah, that's the end of another ride, and a fantastic one, I have to say. Really enjoyed today. Fantastic landscapes, the weather was good, 18 degrees, but yeah, absolutely fantastic cycling weather. So I hope tomorrow will be somewhat the same. It's going to be the shortest ride for sure, from obviously Fécamp to Le Havre, a town I've never been. So that's why I made that one a bit shorter, as I'm quite interested in seeing Le Havre. Maybe it's not pretty, maybe it is, well, we'll find out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us some thumbs up if you can. But at any rate, enjoy your rides, stay safe out there, and see you in the next one. Au revoir, salut!
C'est pas vrai que ça s'arrête, ça serait pour con.